Hi, I'm Carrie from Direct Supply, and I'm back with some more ways to help those who help America's seniors. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about mattress cleaning. This topic has come up a lot recently, and I think it's because of the extreme cleaning we've all been forced to do through this horrible COVID-19 pandemic. I'm getting calls from our customers saying their mattress covers just aren't holding up like they used to, and many times this is due to improper cleaning. Think of these mattress covers as a lot like your skin. If you put a chemical like bleach on your skin is going to dry out, and if you get enough of it on your skin, it'll start to flake, and too much will even start to crack. These stretch covers are the same way. If you get bleach on them, they'll start by turning white, then they'll start to flake a little bit, and pretty soon you've got cracks going right through the cover. That really puts the mattress core, the foam product within the mattress, in jeopardy. Because once moisture gets into the foam, we can't clean it and the whole mattress has to be replaced. If you do notice any discoloration or wear and tear on your mattress cover, be sure to let your account manager know and replace that cover right away. You can find all of our replacement covers on directsupply.net. And for an approved list of chemicals to know if the ones you're using are going to work okay for your mattress covers, reach out to your account manager. If you've got ideas to share or tips and tricks that you'd like to see featured, please let us know at directsupply.net. Thank you for all that you do. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you are up to date on all the latest product features and options from Direct Supply.